Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny, back at it with another video. Quick thing for you guys, I am almost there. I am almost at that 1K subs. Woo. And yeah, guys, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that sub button real quick for me. It really helps the channel. We are almost there, like I said, at that 1K subs. So if you guys want to see more Accord content, and I just ordered a lot of new parts as well, so there will be a lot of content coming out soon. But yeah, guys, make sure you hit that sub button, hit that notification bell so you know that next time I drop a video. But right now, we're about to go get this exhaust welded back together by Thomas at his place. And then Alex Irving, he has a really dope Mustang and he's done a lot to it. I haven't even seen the car for a long time, so we're gonna go check out that car as well. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be an exciting day. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff and get this car kind of sounding a little bit better because it's definitely not sounding really good right now. So let's get today started. Yo, we found Alex out here.
What's up?
What's up, dude?
Hang out here.
Heck yeah. Look at that. Looking good, man. I haven't seen this car in a while.
Honestly.
Is it a half wrap or is it both sides?
It's half wrap.
Nice. Pretty solid, man.
But yeah,
Ooh,
it's
that's kind of
sick.
pretty too.
Yeah. It's a little messed up just from taking it on and off, but it's all
Right,
good.
I feel that.
Yeah, so I got ETS cold air intake. I got the ETS intercooler. I got the Boomba blow-off valve.
That's pretty. I like that.
Oh yeah. Boomba blow-off valve. With a 3-inch exhaust all the way back to a 4-inch tip. And then I got the BC Racing coilovers.
Gotta have BCs, man.
Oh yeah.
What spring rack you running?
It's the OEM one that they
right
gave
on.
me.
Like the 18K or whatever it is?
Yeah.
Right on.
Got the Ford GT grill, and I did the grill delete.
Yeah, see that. Oof. Looking good. God damn.
But yeah, she's nice. She's quick. I got the Cobb access port with the custom tune.
Toony boys.
It's auto, sadly.
Well, you know, that's how it be sometimes.
Yeah.
Woo. Good. Heck yeah.
Yeah,
Well, you ready to roll?
I'm ready. Let's get it.
I gotta get this thing fixed up.
Yeah, no, honestly, I was before you hit me up, I was watching your video about your exhaust.
Yeah, and I was like, oh no, the exhaust is fucking leaking. Yeah. So I think it's leaking from like here-ish.
Like right here.
Yeah. Because we lifted it up and then my hanger broke off.
Okay.
And so then I was like, oh, what's going on there? But I think where the hanger broke off is where it's actually leaking from too. So it's all in one place.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it should be really easy.
Yeah,
to fix.
he's only got a couple hours, so we got to run over there real quick.
All right,
But,
for sure.
yeah, guys, we're gonna go head over there right now. Heck yeah, guys, this thing sounds amazing. All boosty boys and all that. Woo! Gang! My guy.
Get fucking nice cars to bring back the car community.
Heck yeah. What's up, man?
Okay. Bringing no coronavirus over here.
Oh, no, dude, we're good. We're chilling.
Dude, we
Yeah,
chill.
we got the masks, you know?
What's up, boy?
Oh, yeah,
man.
both of us
Oh,
are
too much,
Alex.
dude. That's
man.
too much work.
It's too much.
Alright,
Yeah,
dude,
yeah.
So you want to pull up your car?
Yeah, where do you want me to put? You want to move? Or?
Yeah, I'm moving.
Cool. Sounds good.
That's the idea.
I don't think I've ever seen this in person either.
What? You haven't seen this?
I don't think so.
Hey, have you, dumbass?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, last year.
Oh, right. But like for like
Motherfucker.
very short period of time.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah,
Dude,
I saw it one time.
You can see what my favorite color is, you know.
Hold
Red?
on. I gotta get this quick.
What? Bro, white.
Oh. Yo. Why put RGBs if you're just gonna leave them on white? You know. Yo, is that a Squirtle? Bro. My God.
Sleeping Squirtle.
Nice.
Oh yeah? You want to battle Pokemon?
Pikachu, I choose you.
Oh shit!
I didn't want to let it fall.
Right on.
I would have felt too bad if I didn't catch it.
I got the advantage to electric type.
Electric type with water, yeah. There you go.
I feel like water type's better.
Yo, do you see that fucking curve, bro? I don't think I can make that.
Am I just holding it?
Yeah. Oh god, I'm scared, bro.
You got this.
Very nice, very nice.
I just leave it here. Is this even enough?
Get closer.
Well, I just, you know, we gotta jack it up, so. That's ridiculous.
Is this how them vloggers feel?
Yeah, dude. Alrighty, I'm jacking up the car. Thomas got all his welding shit. Yeah. Yep. Gotta get this last jack stand in, and then we are Gucci to go. Alright, guys. So we are just patching that one little hole. The fucking hanger came off, and I'm just not worried about it because the other two hangers are still on, and the other one's bolted on straight. So we're good. But yeah, definitely need to get that fixed up. It's got all the welding stuff ready. Let's get started.
Are you like TikTok famous yet now or what?
No, definitely not. I haven't made a TikTok in like ages. Shit, so the exhaust leak is the size of a finger.
That's not any way that we can like, oh yeah, we can definitely do this.
Yeah?
Let's just
What's up?
drop these bad boys.
Alright, sick. Yeah, because these ones are easier to drop than the other ones.
How do you drop them?
I think.
Push them?
Question mark? Yeah, like that? Yeah, like that. They just hook in, so.
Okay.
Here.
Get a new welding helmet.
This is a testament that WD-40 solves all problems. We just put some on the fucking hangers, and they slipped out like it was nothing, but they would not
Always
move.
use lube, guys.
Well, yeah, exactly. Always use lube.
Not
But yeah. Well, I mean both, right? Oh, shit. Should use protection, boy. I don't know what you talk about. Yo.
I can't say nothing. I left my keys.
Oh, shit. That's true, though. Big facts, B. So there it is. So this is kind of unfortunate. My glass came out my glasses because I knocked my face against something. Also, Thomas can't see, so he's just kind of blindly welding right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we both can't see, kind of. I can't see out of one eye. It's kind of hard. And you can see the frame's kind of cracked right there. So time for new glasses. I don't have a backup pair, which I probably should get one, but I've had these for like 5 years and I still haven't changed them. So time for new prescription, I think. There we go, there we have it. No more exhaust leaks. Shout out to Thomas's mod shop out here with all the welding.
Oh, don't talk about it, dude. I can't see shit right now, dude.
No.
This guy's all
Well,
weird
God bless
colors.
you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks for Alex tagging along. Heck
Always.
yeah. Woo. Plus, you know, that fucking that car though.
It's high. It's
Oh, it's just I.
It's
Fuck
aight.
off.
Oh, no, dude. This is gonna go.
Oh, get roasted, boy.
I'm wrapping it soon. I'm wrapping the whole car.
Okay,
soon.
right on. What color are you going?
What color?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the R34 Jade color.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a good color. Okay, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, well, no, that's midnight purple.
Oh, okay, purple.
Jade is what Dustin Williams did on his
Oh,
R35.
yeah, I
Yeah.
see that. Yeah.
I like that
yeah,
color
so
so
that
much.
color.
But like in rap, because
Mhm.
the paint
I
turned
found
out
the
immaculate
wrap.
when he did it.
You know what a
It
good
was
color to be?
beautiful.
What?
White.
Yellow.
What? Fuck off. I
All
actually,
I have to do is take off all of it.
I might wrap mine white at some point.
Really?
Yeah,
With
we'll
some,
see.
With some gold flake.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Ducktail gang. Look at all of these ducktails. Am I crooked? Or are you crooked?
Oh, you're good.
Okay, cool. Ooh, looking good, man. Look at that. Yo, it's really bright out. I was not expecting this. I thought it was supposed to be like raining this whole week or something. So I don't know what's going on, man.
Look at that clear coat, bro.
It looks so good. The car is just primo right now. Oh, and then the red, of course.
Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about, dude. Like this right here.
Mm-hmm, the flake.
Yeah, it's like you can barely see it, but it's like, yeah, it does. It's kind of hurt. This hunt kind of hot. Hurts me.
Yeah, no, I was
You're too
feeling
white.
that.
Yeah.
I'm absorbing that.
He's trying. Alrighty, guys, we are headed out of here. Big shout out to Alex here. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. Big shout out to Thomas for welding. Go follow him on Instagram. All the links will be down in the description below. But yeah, guys, I will catch you guys later.